Hi everybody. Hello there. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. What's up, big guy? Huh? Hi. Hello, little girl. Hello there. What's up, Wyatt? Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you pretty little girl. You a pretty little girl. What's up, big guy? Huh? Had a long day? You just relaxing now? Yeah? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You getting mad? Huh? You gonna get mad at me? Tell him. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Take it easy. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Where? Oh, there's Ethan. And his big brother. They're beating up the squirrel. Why are you beating up the squirrel? Huh? You practicing? Yeah? I'll get him. You getting him? I'll get him. Oh, wide scope. There it is. The three brothers. The three brothers are getting the squirrel, and the three sisters are getting me. Chewing on my legs.